Let this soft mineral melt in your mouth to restore your teeth and gums while you sleep, and say goodbye to receding gums and loose teeth. Dr. Drew Sutton, a well-renowned oral surgeon, created and formulated this sweet mineral candy that melts in your mouth and can regrow your teeth and gums almost overnight. How is this possible? This concoction feeds your mouth with microscopic elements that penetrate your gum pockets to rapidly restore your gums and teeth. If you're struggling with periodontal disease, tooth loss, receding gums, bad breath, abscesses, or tooth decay, this mineral candy is the only product in the world designed to repopulate your mouth with good bacteria to rebuild your teeth and gums almost overnight. This potent mixture works immediately, restoring even severe gum disease and decay in just a matter of days. Would you like to restore your teeth and gums rapidly without going to the dentist? Stop what you're doing and go to breakthroughremedies.com to watch this free video on how you can use this mineral candy to restore your teeth and gums. Thank you for watching and for visiting breakthroughremedies.com.